So hi guys, another wet day. Oh, it's awful at the moment. I'm going through storm after storm. I'm dodging about, trying to get work done on the outside of Baru now. It's been difficult. So an apology, we didn't get a video out last week. It's been a couple of weeks or so. It's hard. I'm trying to get work done. Trying to get Baru ready to sail. We're in a queue to be lifted, to go to the yard. We're next in the queue for the next stand that's available to us. One stand has got a friend of ours, Emma's boat on. She's working hard to try to get hers back in the water. The other stand is not a lot happening at the moment. There's a yacht in and it doesn't seem to be doing a great deal of work, so that's holding up large stands, unfortunately. Anyway, that's life. So this time we're going to look at some more of the work that we've been doing on Baru, and something that's not a very good idea. Hope you enjoy. Anyway, please do give us a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to our channel. All that helps us move up the algorithm within YouTube.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Okay, so you can tell by the gear, it's horrible. It's wet, it's chucking it down. It's been raining heavy all night. Anyway, yesterday we got to here. We did the deck, main deck, that's all done. Morning, what a day.
I know. It's going to be a bit tricky trying to get this tape to stick this morning.
I don't think anything will stick this morning. So we've got the saloon top done now, and if I turn around, it wasn't possible to film or video painting it. You don't want to watch painting anyway. Unfortunately now we're not going to get anything done for the next week at least, if not longer, because we've got low pressures coming next weeks 3 and 4 in the system, all stacked up coming across, which means we're not going to get anything done outside. I think we've got something floating in the water next to Baru. It looks like, yeah, it's one of the tops. One of the tops have come off. So we had a bit of an abortive attempt the other day. A friend of mine wanted to try his grip blaster. That's caused me no end of trouble. We actually ended up with little grains of sand everywhere. I've now got the sliding roof off, and it's got 40 years worth of crud underneath. Just look at that. To take the sliding roof off, what I've had to do is, I'll show you on this side, there's an aluminium holding strip. It lips up underneath there basically. So over on this side, excuse me moving the camera around, I've taken that holding strip off, and it's just in here, little tiny portions of grit. I mean, it was just grinding away. So now I've got this up, I'm going to try and clean a lot of this crud out as well, and yeah, we'll sort it out. And so after a little bit of cleaning, got the track back on, and slides, doesn't grind. Still fiberglass on fiberglass, so what I want to do is find some strips, I think, of easy glide material, and when we do refurbish this properly we'll put some easy glide stuff, but for now that's that. All I've got to do now is tidy the cabling up a bit, and just for completion, there we are. Nice little job. It's been one of them things that probably needed doing anyway, because it had years and years of crud underneath. So it's time to service the winches. These are Lewmar 42s, so we just need to take the top off. And inside we've got a couple of brass or bronze collets. Don't want to lose them. Lift off the top and lift that away. That could stay on. We'll give that a clean up. This should all lift off now, and it does. Watching for any bits that might fall away, like collars, spacers, and there's the winch. There's the inside, and there's the bearings inside there. So we'll just pop that out of the way. Take the collar and spacer off. And then we've got the gears. These look in decent condition. This one's running freely. I just want to take these out to clean because there are signs of a bit of grit, and there is a little bit of grit in there. So leave that pin up. State of that's not good, and being dirty. Right, give that a bit of a spray, I think, to clean it out. Using Nut Job, it's a lubricating spray. It's also a bit of a deep degreaser and water dispersant.
Hello.
Oh yeah, you're right.
I'm dry for you now, you can get on a bit.
Well, it just started raining at the wrong time. Yeah. That's all. Okay, still a little bit there. There we go. Right. What I'll do is I'll put some grease into there. Over that. Nut Job is by a company called Norlu from Ireland. It's just starting to come available on the UK market. very similar to WD-40 in its as a penetrating oil, but unlike WD-40 it lubricates as well. Many people think WD-40 does lubricate, but it is not a lubricant. So just lubricated up this one, a set of gears, get this bobbed in, there we go. Now I'll clean up the next. And so, for full disclosure, nut jobs being provided to me by Clear Winner, who also produce Purify, the diesel fuel additive and bug preventer. I'll clean out the main drum and then grease it up. So I'll put the spacers back on, they've been cleaned and greased, and then I'll drop the drum on, which has also been cleaned and greased. Right, with the bearings. There we go.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Lovely day.
It is. Top ring drop in. There we go. Go with the handle. So that's one winch cleaned and lubricated. So what wasn't a good idea? Well, yeah, you guessed it, it's grip blasting. And even after just 2 minutes we managed to get little granules coming into service items, and even inside the boat. Luckily we're away from anybody else, so it didn't matter. But yeah, forget it. It's such a mess.